You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello little explorer, welcome back to Kidiez World TV. I am your host and today is a very special day. Do you know what day it is? It's World Parrot Day. Let's dive into the colorful and fascinating world of parrots. So are you ready kids? Let's go! Parrots are some of the most beautiful and intelligent birds in the world. They come in all sorts of bright color like green, blue, red, white and yellow. Just look at these amazing parrots flying around in the jungle. Did you know there are over 350 different species of parrots? Wow, that's incredible! Parrots live in warm places like rainforests, savannas, and some islands. You can find them in Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. These clever birds love to chat. Some parrots can even mimic human speech. Have you ever heard a parrot talk? It's a pretty funny and amazing at the same time. Parrots use their strong beaks from all sorts of things. They crack open nuts, eat fruit, and even use their beaks to climb trees. Their beaks are like a special tool that help them with their daily activities. And let's talk about their feet. Parrots have zygodactyly feet, which means they have two toes pointing forward and two toes pointing backward. This helps them grip branches and climb with ease. It's like having their own built-in climbing shoes. Wow! Parrots are also very special animals. They love to live in flocks and communicate with each other through squawks, whistles, and even dance. Just look at these parrots. Some parrots, like the African grey parrots, are known for their incredible intelligence. They can solve puzzles, learn new tricks, and remember lots of words. These smart birds need lot of mental stimulation to keep them happy and healthy. But did you know that many parrot species are in danger? Their homes are being destroyed and some are captured to be sold as pets. It's important to protect these beautiful birds and their habitat. We can help by supporting wildlife conservation efforts and make sure we never buy parrots that were taken from the wild. So, what can we do to celebrate World Parrot Day? We can learn more about these amazing birds, share what we know with our friends and family, and support organizations that help protect parrots. Every little bit helps. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate World Parrot Day. Remember, every parrot deserves a safe and happy home. Let's do our part and protect these incredible birds. See you next time, kids. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell for upcoming video notification. Have a great day, kids. Take care. Bye bye.